Today we delve into the celestial world and explore the intriguing comet C 2023-A3. In the early dawn of 2023, an extraordinary discovery was made by the Atlas Survey and Purple Mountain Observatory. This discovery wasn't just any celestial body, but a comet christened as Comet C 2023-A3. But this isn't your run-of-the-mill short-period comet that swings by every few decades. Oh no, Comet C 2023-A3 is a long-period comet making its grand appearance only once every 26,000 years. That's right, this icy traveler spends most of its life in the frigid outskirts of our solar system, only to grace us with its presence after millennia have passed. Its extraordinary orbital period places it in a category of comets that are as rare as they are fascinating. As we journey further into this cosmic tale, prepare to be amazed by the comet's potential visibility and luminosity. Imagine a celestial body potentially becoming as bright as the most luminous stars in our sky. This is the fascinating journey of the comet C 2023-A3, also known as Tsuchinshan-ATLAS. Discovered in the early months of 2023, this long-period comet is expected to illuminate our night sky by October 2024. So keep your eyes peeled. This cosmic traveler has an orbital period of 26,000 years, making its appearances few and far between. As it embarks on its journey towards the sun, it's predicted to develop a prominent tail, a characteristic feature that makes comets a spectacle to behold. This tail is a result of the sun's heat causing the ice in the comet to vaporize, leaving behind a trail of dust and gas. The more it gets heated by the sun, the more it vaporizes and the more striking its tail becomes. This process is what gives comets their distinctive appearance, making them a marvel to witness in our night sky. As Tsuchinshan-ATLAS approaches the sun, it's expected to favor visibility in the northern hemisphere. This means that for those of you living above the equator, you're in for quite a treat. And the best part, you won't need any fancy equipment to enjoy the show. The comet is expected to reach naked-eye visibility, meaning it could potentially be seen without the need for binoculars or telescopes. But remember, these are merely predictions. The exact brightness and visibility of the comet can vary based on numerous factors, including its distance from the Sun and Earth and the composition of its nucleus. The celestial spectacle is set to captivate gazers in the northern hemisphere, a sight to behold indeed. So mark your calendars for October 2024 and prepare to witness the extraordinary journey of this celestial wanderer. Mark your calendars for Comet C 2023-A3 is set to make its closest approaches soon. As our celestial visitor, Comet C 2023-A3, also known as Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, embarks on its journey, it is set to make some exciting appearances. Its closest approach to the Sun, also known as perihelion, will occur on September 27, 2024. During this time, the comet will be at its brightest as the sun's rays illuminate the ices in the comet, causing them to vaporize and create a glowing coma around the comet's nucleus. But the real spectacle is yet to come. On October 12, 2024, this long-period comet will make its closest approach to Earth. During this time, the comet will be at its most visible, potentially shining as brightly as the most luminous stars in our night sky. For those in the northern hemisphere, this will be a sight to behold. This close approach will not only make the comet spectacularly visible, but it will also allow us to witness the development of a prominent tail. As the comet gets closer to the sun, the heat causes the comet to release gas and dust in a stream that points away from the sun, forming a brilliant tail that we can observe from Earth. But remember, this spectacle won't last forever. After its closest approach to Earth, the comet will gradually fade and become visible only with binoculars and telescopes. So make sure you seize the opportunity to witness this celestial spectacle while you can. So prepare your telescopes and binoculars to catch this celestial visitor in its full glory. Let's embark on a cosmic journey tracing the path of Comet C 2023-A3. This celestial traveler, born in the icy realms of the outer solar system, embarks on a journey that will take it through the orbits of the gas giants and the rocky inner planets. Its trajectory in 2024 is a grand tour of our cosmic neighborhood. The journey begins far beyond the orbit of Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. Known for its iconic rings, Saturn stands as the distant gatekeeper for Comet C 2023-A3's inward journey. From Saturn, our comet ventures into the realm of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter's massive gravity acts as a celestial slingshot, accelerating the comet and bending its path towards the inner solar system. Next, the comet crosses the asteroid belt, a region of space populated by remnants of the early solar system. This is a place of rocky debris and occasional giants like the dwarf planet Ceres. Here, amidst the cosmic rubble, our comet is a fleeting visitor, quickly moving on its way. As it approaches Mars, the red planet, the comet is now halfway through its journey. Mars, with its towering volcanoes and deep canyons, watches as the comet streaks past, a silent sentinel in the void of space. The comet's journey continues inward to Venus, our neighboring planet, often referred to as Earth's twin. Cloaked in thick clouds and with a surface hot enough to melt lead, Venus provides a stark backdrop to the comet's inward journey. Finally, as it reaches its closest approach to the Sun, the comet whips around in a tight orbit, its icy nucleus vaporizing to form a glowing coma and a spectacular tail. The Sun's intense heat and radiation pressure push this tail away from the comet, pointing away from the Sun. And then, having survived its close encounter with the Sun, the comet heads back outwards, retracing its path past Venus, Mars, the asteroid belt, Jupiter and Saturn, before disappearing into the outer reaches of the solar system, not to return for another 26,000 years. As we trace its path, we gain a unique insight into the celestial dynamics of our solar system. Now let's dive into the intriguing unpredictability of Comet C 2023-A3. The cosmos is a grand stage where celestial bodies like our comet C 2023-A3 play their parts in a performance spanning millennia. Yet, despite our advancements in technology and understanding, the precise details of these performances often remain shrouded in mystery. This is particularly true when it comes to predicting the brightness and visibility of comets. Comet C 2023. A3, also known as Tsuchinshan-ATLAS, has the potential to be a great comet, a title bestowed upon those rare comets that become exceptionally bright and visible. Our celestial performer is expected to reach naked eye visibility by October of 2024, potentially shining as bright as the most luminous stars. However, just as a play's final act can hold unexpected twists, so too can the performance of our comet. While we anticipate a spectacular show, the exact brightness and visibility of Comet C 2023-A3 are at this time unpredictable. This uncertainty is part of the comet's allure, part of the cosmic intrigue. You see, the brightness of a comet is influenced by many factors, including its size, composition, and proximity to the Sun. As the comet journeys closer to the Sun, the heat causes it to spew gas and dust into a glowing coma and tail. But the exact amount and composition of this material and how it will interact with the Sun's radiation are variables that can change the comet's performance. As such, while we expect Comet C 2023-A3 to put on a grand performance, the specifics of its brightness and visibility remain an exciting unknown. It's a reminder that despite our advancements, the universe still holds mysteries and surprises for us to discover, to marvel at, and to learn from. Just like many mysteries of the cosmos, the final act of Comet C 2023-A3 is yet to be unveiled. As we conclude our cosmic journey, let's recap the fascinating tale of Comet C 2023-A3. This celestial traveler was first discovered by the Atlas Survey and Purple Mountain Observatory in early 2023. With an impressive orbital period of 26,000 years, this long-period comet promises to be a sight to behold, reaching naked eye visibility by October 2024. As Comet C 2023-A3 makes its way through the solar system, from the orbits of Saturn and Jupiter to Mars and Venus, it's expected to develop a prominent tail, a dazzling spectacle particularly for those in the Northern Hemisphere. Its closest approaches to the Sun and Earth will occur in September and October 2024, respectively, after which it will gradually fade from sight, visible only through binoculars and telescopes. Yet, as with all things in the cosmos, The exact brightness and visibility of comet C2023A3 remain unpredictable. Its potential to be a great comet is tantalizing, a reminder of the infinite mysteries our universe holds. Thank you for joining in this stellar exploration. Please subscribe for more intriguing celestial tales. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars.